Welcome to Voice Vocabulary. Today, you will learn English through a powerful motivational story. This story is about belief. Yes, belief in yourself. Many people fail. Not because they are weak, but because they don't believe in themselves. If you ever felt doubt, if you ever felt fear, this story is for you. Listen carefully and try to repeat the sentences. Let's begin. In a small town, there lived a boy named David. David was quiet. He was simple, but inside, he had big dreams. He wanted to speak English confidently. He wanted to stand in front of people and speak without fear. But there was one problem. He did not believe in himself. Every time he tried to speak, he stopped. He thought, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I fail? These thoughts stopped him again and again. One day, his teacher said, tomorrow, everyone will speak in class. David felt scared. His heart started beating fast. That night, he could not sleep. He kept thinking, I cannot do this. I will fail. The next day, students started speaking one by one. Some made mistakes. Some spoke well, but they tried. Now, it was David's turn. He stood up. His hands were shaking. His voice was low. He said one sentence and stopped. The class was silent. David sat down quickly. His face was down. He felt embarrassed. After class, his teacher called him. David, why did you stop? David said softly, I'm afraid. I think I am not good enough. The teacher smiled and said, do you know the truth? David looked up. The teacher said, no one is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. But the difference is, some people try and some people stop. David listened carefully. The teacher continued, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. That night, David thought deeply. He realized something. His biggest problem was not English. It was fear. The next day, he made a decision. He would try again, even if he failed, even if people laughed. He stood in front of the mirror and started speaking, slowly with mistakes, but he continued. Day after day, he practiced just 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, then more. After some days, something changed. David felt better. His fear was still there, but it was smaller. He started speaking in class again. This time, he spoke more. He made mistakes, but he did not stop. Some students smiled, some listened, but David did not care. He was improving. Weeks passed. David was different now. He was stronger. He was confident. One day, the teacher asked him, can you give a speech? David smiled, yes. He stood in front of the class. He took a deep breath and started speaking. His voice was clear. His words were simple. But his confidence was strong. The class listened carefully. When he finished, everyone clapped. David felt happy, very happy. That day, David understood something important. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. You don't become confident, then take action. You take action, and confidence follows. Now, listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not incapable. You are just afraid. And that is okay. Fear is normal, but stopping is not. Take one step, speak one sentence, make one mistake, but don't stop, because the more you try, the more you grow, and one day, you will become confident. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to Voice Vocabulary. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video.